My name is Willie Gaskins. I've been the welding instructor here for 2 years. I've come from industry. I've spent 35 plus years in the industry. The first year students, they learn anything from the safety aspects of welding to the tools, the equipment that's used in the welding field, along with learning how to weld beads using a cutting torch. We do everything here from welding pieces of plate together with simple 70-18, 60-10 stick rod all the way up to TIG welding in the second year program.
My plans after Northeast Tech are to attend a community college where I will get an associate's degree in non-destructive testing. I plan to take that further to become a welding inspector on the pipeline. I believe the program has adequately prepared me for my career path, especially with help from Mr. Gaskins. He is an absolutely amazing instructor, and anything I need help with, he is there to help me, and it's just a great place to get started.
My plans after Northeast Tech are to either get into fabrication welding or go on the pipeline. Mr. Gaskins, he teaches us a lot about, everything we need to know, anywhere from 60-10 stick welding to, flux core welding, It's everything we need to know to go out in the field and do.
Once the students get finished here with the program, they're ready to go to work in the industry. That industry can lead anywhere from fabrication all the way up to the pipe industry, whether you're a pipeline welder or working in the industry locally. The welding field pays really, really good. The industry right now is really, really strong. A student can go to work just about anywhere in the United States or even overseas if they would like to at this time. They can make anywhere from $15 an hour all the way up to the sky's the limit.